Hi, my name is Anna Rangel, and for my Science in the News, I will be talking about the honeybee crisis. In the article, The Mystery of Vanishing Honeybees is Still Not Definitely Solved, Susan Milius describes the unsettling observations that beekeepers in the United States have noticed over the past years. This includes a great decline in their honeybee populations since 2007. She explains that recently the numbers have plummeted to an all-time low. Scientists believe that this tragedy is partly due to the lack of nutrition, pesticides, pathogens, and parasites. Yet they believe that more investigation needs to be done to solve this mystery. Above is a startling image of honeybee colonies that only have a few bees tending to them due to so many deaths. Here you will see a video that explains the parasites and pesticides that greatly affect the honeybee colonies today. Facts that make this issue interesting. This is an issue that has been occurring for several years, yet many are not informed about this honeybee crisis because it isn't talked about very often. To most people, bees are just bees. The honeybee population is heavily affected by humans. This includes human pathogens, exposure to parasites, and the use of pesticides. Although the honeybee population is decreasing and colonies are failing, they are not predicted to go extinct. Yet the lack of honeybees will cause a lack in the pollination of fruits and veggies, causing food prices to go up. This made me realize how important honeybees are in the process of pollination and agriculture production. Methods used to uncover the discovery. In 2007, Jeff Pettis studied honeybee colonies at the Bettsville Honeybee Lab for the United States Department of Agriculture. He studied honeybee colony collapse and the causes of it. He concluded that wild bees were less likely to experience colony collapse because they didn't usually form colonies. Yet, he believes that honeybees experience colony collapse due to poor nutrition and pesticides exposure. Bees who encountered pesticides tended to die. A fellow researcher named Ian Lipkin studied human pathogens and disease outbreaks to see what impact they had on the bee population. Colonies who had encountered viruses experienced a great amount of honeybee deaths as well. This then caused colonies to collapse. Related concepts. In order to understand this information, it is helpful to have some background knowledge on ecosystems and the honeybee's role, agriculture and pollination, environmental science and the use of pesticides, and human biology, which includes pathogens and viruses. Questions and further investigation. What can honeybees keepers do to keep their bees safe from pesticides and pathogens? Are there any other insect pollinators that could possibly take the honeybee's role if they eventually went extinct? If not, what would happen to the living organisms on Earth who rely on fruit and veggies to stay nourished? If beekeepers let their honeybees free, would the population of honeybees be replenished? And here are my sources. Thank you for listening.